Good morning. This is Mrs. MacPhee, and today's February 24th, 2016, and we are working today on solving equations with variables on both sides and using distributive property. And I want to give a special thank you to First Period, who's helping us work through this problem. When we have a problem where we have two different denominators, what would be a good way to get started? Joel? Okay, very good. If we multiply both of them by 8, what's going to happen here is our denominators are going to go away. I'm going to put that value 3 plus y in parentheses because I don't want to mess up my numerator. On the right here, we're going to have 8 divided by 8. And on the left, what's going to happen to the 8 and the 4? Yeah, we can divide by 4. And what is 8 divided by 4? Noah?
2.
2. So let's rewrite what we have now. We have 2 times the sum of 3 plus y. And now on the right, all that we have left is what? Negative y. Awesome. So now today we talked about distributive property. Distributive property says I can multiply the 2 by both parts of that sum. So I have 2 times 3 plus 2 times y. And that will equal negative y. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2y equals negative y. And now we're back to yesterday's lesson. We want to combine our like terms. What can I do to move all of my y's over to the right? Ju Young? Let's subtract 2y. Awesome. So now we have our 0 pair, and on the left, we just have 6. This is where you might want to write that coefficient of 1. So this is negative 1y minus 2y. Don't forget your integers, so we can do same, change, change. Taking it one step at a time. Notice I'm not doing a lot in my head, because that's where we can make those little mistakes that end up with a wrong answer. Negative 1y plus negative 2y is how many y's? Negative 3y. Very good. And now, one step away from being done. How can we isolate the variable and get y all by itself? Rue? Divide everything by negative 3. Very good. So we get y equals negative 2. I hope this helps with your homework. You're doing a great job. Remember, take it one step at a time, because a lot of times really complicated problems end up with these nice, uncomplicated solutions. Thank you, First Period.
You're welcome.